President Trump's Tariff Liberation Day is tomorrow, but the market's still guessing what that might mean. It's Tuesday, 1st of April, and here's what you need to know. So, President Trump's calling it Liberation Day. Tomorrow, or maybe even later today, he'll announce tariffs on trillions of dollars worth of US imports. The idea is that they're reciprocal, which sounds straightforward, but the US tariff schedule lists more than 12,500 different types of imports from more than 200 countries, and they could, in theory, all face different rates. On Monday, the US government published a list of foreign countries' policies that it considers trade barriers, potential areas where it might be willing to negotiate, but they include everything from VAT to food safety regulations. Well, have a look at our chart of the day. This is the S&P 500. It lost 4.6% in the first quarter. That makes it the worst quarter since early 2022, as investors worry the tariffs could spark inflation and potentially a recession. Analysts are worried we haven't seen the worst of the sell-off yet. Goldman Sachs has increased its odds on a US recession this year to 35%. Watch out later for signs of whether those worries are yet affecting the jobs market. Job openings for February are forecast to come in at 7.616 million. That would be a bit down on last month. It comes, of course, ahead of Friday's crucial non-farm payrolls report. Investors will be watching that very closely for signs of a slowdown. And our number of the day is $40 billion. That's how much OpenAI says it plans to raise in a new funding round led by Softbank, which values the company at $300 billion. Softbank will provide $10 billion this month and the rest by December, as long as OpenAI becomes a for-profit company by then. You might remember at the moment it's still technically a non-profit, and Elon Musk is suing to try and stop that restructuring. And that's what you need to know this morning.